We get these calls all the time. A customer leaves their lights on overnight. By morning, their battery's dead. That's when we bring out the Milwaukee M18 Hotshot Jump Starter. It saves the day, gets the customer back on the road, and makes my job easy. What I love most is the ability to move the same M18 battery between all my tools. In my truck, I've got the M18 inflator, floodlight, and impact. And now, the Hotshot Jump Pack. With the M18 platform, it's always charged and ready to go. Here in Wisconsin, we see temperatures from below 0 to over 100 degrees. So having a tool that performs in any weather, rain, snow, or heat, that's critical. The Hotshot makes it quick and easy to jump multiple vehicles. And if one battery's low, I just grab a fresh M18 from the charger and pop it on. No waiting around. Unlike lead-acid jump packs that need to recharge between jumps. Downtime? Gone completely. After using the Hotshot for the past few months, it's become an invaluable tool. I'd recommend it to anyone in the towing or automotive industry.
You know, it's crazy to think how far cars have come since the early 2000s. They keep getting smaller and tighter inside. Space is definitely at a premium now. That's why I'm honestly blown away by this subcompact. It's unbelievable how much power Milwaukee managed to pack into something this small. The size, the weight, the balance, it's all just right. It fits anywhere. Under the dash, under the car, even in those tight corners where bigger tools just don't stand a chance. And that's the thing. When you're working in those tight spots, every ounce matters. You want a tool that's light, quick, and gets the job done without wearing you out. This one does exactly that. The RPMs are on point, the power is right there when I need it, and because it's so lightweight, I can keep working longer without feeling it in my arms.
I'm really impressed with the M12 FUEL right-angle impact wrench. I've been using a pneumatic version for about 5 or 6 years, and it's replaced it. It's quick, easy to grab, and get the job done. With the braking torque, it gets the job done faster. The M12 FUEL right-angle impact wrench had a lot more power than I expected. You don't have any air hoses tripping you up, much more mobility, and it's got plenty of power to remove whatever bolts that I've tried to take out with it. My favorite thing on the right-angle impact is its power-to-size ratio. It's a really powerful unit in a small package. I know it can get the job done I need it to do. It's great because you can get it into tight spots when you have energized conductors. It's a benefit. It's really compact, and its main purpose is to get into a tight spot. You're not looking for extensions. You're not trying to use different adapters. You can get in there and get the job done quicker. The mode control is great because it'll take it down without stripping anything. I love the bolt removal mode because it puts full power on it, but once the fastener loosens, the tool will slow down automatically. The auto shutoff keeps you from over-torquing. It gets you right within hand tight. I didn't think there would anything ever come out like this. Very glad it has though. The ability to get into hard-to-reach places with the power I need.
Introducing the M18 cordless 2-speed grease gun from Milwaukee. Designed to provide maximum pressure and unmatched precision, the M18 2-speed grease gun is built to perform the most challenging lubrication tasks. In low speed, the grease gun delivers up to 10,000 psi maximum pressure. In high speed, it maximizes flow rate at up to 10 ounces per minute. Equipped with a preset grease counter, the tool allows users to precisely control the quantity of grease dispensed into every fitting. The M18 2-speed grease gun features a powerful LED floodlight, a 48-inch flexible hose with spring guard, a lock-off, lock-on trigger, and is powered by M18 red lithium batteries, which are compatible with over 40 tools and operate down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. For ultimate maintenance versatility, demand the most powerful and most precise grease gun on the market, the M18 cordless 2-speed grease gun from Milwaukee.
You know, when it comes to detailing, power and control are everything. That's exactly what Milwaukee nailed with the M18 FUEL 7-inch variable speed polisher. This thing delivers that perfect balance of torque, runtime, and precision. all without a cord in sight. I've used a lot of polishers over the years, and most of them either weigh you down, overheat, or just don't give you that consistent finish. But this one, it's smooth, powerful, and surprisingly light for the amount of muscle it's got. It feels balanced in your hands, no fighting against vibration or awkward weight. Milwaukee built this from the ground up with detailers and body pros in mind. The variable speed dial gives you total control, from slow, gentle passes to heavy correction work. You can fine-tune it exactly how you need, and that brushless motor keeps it running cool and consistent from start to finish. And the best part? The freedom of cordless. No dragging cords around the car, no tripping over cables, and no fighting for an outlet. Just pop in your M18 red lift, and that soft start feature prevents any sling or swirl on startup. That's a big deal if you've ever polished dark paint. It's just a clean, professional feel all the way through. After using it for a while now, I can honestly say, this has become my go-to for paint correction and finishing work.